Hey guys, what's up? Here's Manuel Lettenbichler. I'm racing for the Red Bull KTM factory racing team. I'm 25 years old, born in Germany, and I'm gonna have 3 World Championship titles. Last year was definitely a mega year, you know. I was coming out of an injury, so I didn't have any expectations, and then to go back home with a world title, it was definitely some pretty special moment, I would say, and it meant quite a lot to me because I missed one round and I had to push quite hard for it, so it was definitely a good year. The differences with the 2024 bike is definitely the whole bike, I would say. We got a new frame, the whole plastic side is completely different, so it feels a bit different compared to the old bike, but it also feels pretty good, so yeah, I'm feeling quite confident on it. I think I couldn't live without, on the bike, probably suspension, I would say. Because it's such an important thing in our sport and it has to run good in every kind of condition. So that's one of the key parts for going out there and race. I won a title already now that I feel like that I have a little bit more confidence. But I also been so long in the sport now that I kind of feel confident in it and have so much experience already. I'm only 25, but I feel like that I'm already an old guy in the paddock. Yeah, I think it's more about the experience and about going out to the races, I would say. It's super important to have a good relationship in the team, you know. It's such a important thing that you have a good vibe, and if you have a good vibe in the paddock, it feels more home, and you travel all the year with the whole crew. So it's quite nice that everyone is working good together, but then also just having a great time to go out to the races. Goals for this year, for sure, go out there, have some fun, trying to repeat the same things as last year, hopefully get some race wins and maybe go home with the title. I know it's not going to be easy, but we will try our best, I would say. Yeah, to repeat, to win another title, another Hard Enduro World Championship title would mean for sure quite a bit, but at the moment I wouldn't think about it too much. I want to go the same style as last year. I want to go from race to race and then see where we end up. But I will definitely try my best to get there and hopefully can go home with another title. I'm ready to race the 2023 Hard Enduro World Championship.